When it comes to turning back the clock, technology has come a long way in a short period of time. Dr. Bill Johnson of Asians Med Spa, he's here to tell us about the newest skin tightening advance with less discomfort than ever. It sounds too good to be true, Bill.
Well, it's really not, Amy. We have it's probably being delivered right now as we speak, the latest advance from Thermage.
This is really special because you've talked about Thermage on the show before. Remind us what it is and what this new technology offers to patients.
Well, Thermage uses radio frequency heating to tighten the skin. Okay. So we get a real natural improvement in sagging and wrinkles without any drawn up tightness. Now that's the new handle they've got up there now. And what Thermage has done is combined everything it's learned over the past 7 years into this new tip, which is called Thermage Cpt, which stands for Comfort Pulse Technology.
Comfort. We like comfort.
Yeah.
That's a good word.
And this is really a big advance in how comfortable it is to have Thermage.
And this is a good advance because, like you said, everything they've learned over the past 7 years, the tips keep getting more and more efficient. Less time for the treatments, more efficient at skin tightening, cellulite removal. But now, with the comfort, they're not feeling the pain.
That's right. Thermage has put 3 new technologies into this tip. First, it's bordered. And the border really is important because it makes a much more even heating. And with the border, we don't get spillage of the heat over to where we don't have cooling because we're cooling and heating at the same time. This shows we also switch back and forth very, very quickly, about 40 times a second, between heat and cool, heat and cool, heat and cool. Okay. That fools our brain. We really can't tell which one's happening and really reduces the discomfort. But then the kind of the pièce de résistance, the big piece, is the handpiece now vibrates. So as we're applying the pulse, it's vibrating.
Which makes it more effective?
Which makes it more comfortable. Okay. And a lot of the patients we did in the office felt like they were having a warm face massage.
I cannot believe that. That's amazing. Because I know I've had Thermage before, Dr. Johnson, and I have to say it was a little uncomfortable.
Yeah.
A lot uncomfortable.
Well, we did 15 patients. We did the final pilot study for Thermage in our Dallas about 2 weeks ago. Okay. And of the 15 patients we did, only 10 took no medications at all. Only 5 of us took medication, and I say us because the 5 that took meds were all staff members.
Because they couldn't believe it was too good to be true, and it actually was. Okay, and you are not just a doctor, you are indeed a patient, because there you are.
I was the first guinea pig, and this is me immediately afterwards. In fact, all the pictures that you're going to see this morning are immediately after the procedure. And with Thermage, you're going to continue to see benefit that increases for about 6 months. So all of these folks have most of their benefit ahead of them. Which is really nice. Okay, so it's more comfortable, more efficient tip, can be used anywhere on the body where you would normally use that Thermage. Well, now on the this is only the 3 centimeter or the smaller tip. Okay, so maybe neck. For the 16 centimeter tip that we like to use on the thighs and on the abdomen, we do have the border, and we do have the rapid back and forth between heating and cooling, but we can't vibrate the big tip yet. Not yet, but you know that's coming. It's going to be coming. But for now, we're going to